Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're looking at the Husqvarna TS 146XK lawn tractor with a 22 horsepower Kohler engine. This mower has anti-scout back wheels, along with our cup holder, our premium Deluxe extra thick comfortable vinyl seat. We have an oversized steering wheel, along with our ignition, parking, throttle, hour gauge, and our Verse operating system. This mower also has a cruise control setting for consistent speed. The seat is equipped with rubber insulators to help reduce vibration. This mower comes with a 46-inch cutting deck, along with your chute. We have our pedals. This mower has a 22 horsepower Kohler 7000 series engine with a full pressure lubrication and SmartChoke, along with a pedal operated automatic transmission to control speed and direction. This mower has a Tuff Torq hydrostatic transmission and a Chokeless start. We have a 46-inch reinforced stamp cutting deck. This cutting deck comes with our air induction that draws clean air from the front of the top and the bottom of the deck for a greater cut. We also have our wash port, along with our pedal for our foot operated deck lift. We have our high intensity LED lights, along with our protective front bumper. We have our cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 3.8. We have our fuel tank with a capacity of 3 gallons. This mower also has a welded full-length rugged frame for maximum durability and sturdiness. This mower is painted with E-dipped paint to protect against rust and wear. We have a heavy cast iron front axle for superior balance and stability, a solid steel hood, once again, this is the Husqvarna TS 146XK lawn tractor with a 22 horsepower Kohler engine. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. We also have handhelds and trailers and can make you a great package deal.